Welcome to our channel. Blue Lollipop, English for Kids. It's time to learn. Verbs. Walk. Walk. She walks through the park every afternoon. Swim. Swim. When I swim, I feel really good. Sing. Sing. Let's sing a very famous song for you. Dance. Dance. She dances in an unusual way. Cry. Cry. What made this boy cry? His puppy is sick. Scare. Scare. This ghost is trying to scare you. Jump. Jump. If he jumps a lot, he will get tired. Smile. Smile. We should smile more. Eat. Eat. We should eat healthy foods. Run. Run. I must run to catch the bus on time. Read. Read. She reads an adventure book. Think. Think. He thinks about a serious problem. Drive. Drive. My father drives the car to take us to the countryside. Cook. Cook. I cook fish because I like it. Fly. Fly. The insect flies to the light. Sleep. Sleep. He sleeps deeply and dreams. Blink. Blink. He winks at me and you too. Clean. Clean. I'm going to clean a whole house. Study. Study. I will study like this boy. Our video ends here. Thanks for watched it. See you in the next one. Bye.